Hello everybody and welcome back to Atris Studios. Now today I wanted to talk to you about the channel, where it's going, and of course where I've been for the past month or so. So basically in the past months I've had to deal with a lot of real life stuff. Let's just call it stuff for now. Financially, health-wise, mentally speaking, there was just a lot of things going on that I had to deal with just to get my head into the right space. I don't like producing content that is in the wrong headspace, because if you do, then the quality is not going to be that great and you guys are not going to be getting what you deserve. So I really want to be able to make sure that that is sort of where we're at with how I build content. Now, as for the content that we're going to be developing on this channel, there's going to be some changes. Not a lot of changes, but some changes. So basically, as a game developer, I've realized that I'm sort of separating my time between creating content for mechanics and building a game over here, basically. And I sort of love doing both, but the reality is I'm never going to be able to release, multiple titles really. But I won't be able to release the games that I want to be able to release because I'm not able to focus on them specifically. So to be able to do that, what I'm thinking we're going to start doing is we'll still build mechanical tutorials out there for you guys, because I understand there isn't a necessity for them. It just makes life easier for other game developers to be able to build these mechanics. That way they can implement them inside their games. But at the same time, it's like I also want to be able to focus on my own games as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to create some content for tutorials, but we're also going to create content for game dev as well. This way we can have both sides of things working together. All right. Now, the last thing that I wanted to cover is, of course, the inventory system that we have currently speaking. I know that that was the last video that I put out was for the controller input. And basically in the past months, I've been looking at that code as well, trying to figure out the most efficient way of implementing the controller inputs. And there is a way of hard coding it inside there, but it's not very performance efficient. And I believe that you should be able to create a performance efficient product before you ship it. So what I think that we need to do is probably label that system as a PC build only. And then we're going to start a new inventory system that's based on consoles and PC in about a couple months, maybe like 3 months or so. I don't know yet. But that way we can still have the inventory system that we currently have available for anybody that wants to use it. And then if they want to implement the controller support on that one, they can. But then we can create a better system that is easier to implement later on, that uses the core principles that we had inside the previous inventory system. And that's just where I'm going with it. I think that's the wiser decision, and I hope you guys appreciate it. But yeah, that's about it. If you guys have any questions, make sure to leave those inside the comment section below. I'll be happy to get to those as soon as possible. Make sure you leave likes, subscribe. And also, if you have anything that you need help on, let me know about it, because it sort of lets me understand where you guys are at programming-wise or game development-wise. It gives me the ability to create content that is for you, and it allows me to be able to help you as a consumer or as a developer create something that's absolutely amazing. And that's sort of what I want to be able to do, okay? So, without further ado, I'll see you guys later. Bye.